Velkommen! Welcome, Danish language enthusiasts, polyglots and aspiring Danish speakers. My name is Liam and I'm thrilled to invite you to an experience that's not just about learning Danish grammar and pronunciation, and more about immersing yourself in the experience and overcoming challenges. In my upcoming webinar, we'll talk about the intricacies of the Danish language, the common challenges of learning Danish, the loneliness in learning a language and how to succeed, stay motivated, and eventually reach a level of fluency. On Cyber Monday, the 27th, mark your calendars because I'm hosting an exclusive webinar, Essential Danish Grammar, your gateway to fluency. So why should you join me? Let me give you 3 compelling reasons. Reason number 1, you're not alone. Beyond the language, you may have felt the frustration of feeling alone when learning Danish. I certainly was when I first started, sitting at home alone with my head in the books as my friends slowly faded into the background. Oh, that sounds very sad. But learning doesn't have to be a struggle. It's not always fun. So don't trust anyone that says, we make learning fun. It's not about being fun, it's about being effective. Learning is hard, but if you can do it effectively, you can make it enjoyable alongside other people. Reason number 2, unlock the formula for learning Danish. Ever felt stuck deciphering the mysteries of Danish grammar? My webinar is the key to unlocking the secrets of this beautiful language. If you've ever felt like you don't know where to start, what is important, what isn't, this webinar will set you on the straight and narrow path. And finally, reason number 3, transformative learning experience. This is not just another webinar, it is a transformative learning experience. But don't just take my word for it, let the success stories of my students speak for themselves. I've watched student after student gain confidence and start using the Danish language. I've watched strangers become friends and start holding weekly meetups, and I've even seen people go from student to teacher. That could be you. Danish isn't so hard. You got this. So, are you ready to embark on a Danish language adventure? Here's what you need to do. Register now. Head over to my website and secure your spot. Spaces are limited, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Step number 2, spread the word. Share the excitement. Tag your Danish language loving friends, share my video on all your social media accounts, and let's continue building this community of Danish language lovers. And finally, step number 3, get your questions ready. I want this webinar to also be tailored to your needs. So start jotting down your questions and get ready to engage with me during the Q&A session. So there you have it. Sign up, get ready, spread the word, and get ready for an exceptional Danish experience. Can't wait to see you there. Vi ses.